In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable coupons in Appy Marketplace. Let's get started right from your Appy account. Open Appy in your browser and head to your dashboard. From there, move into the Builder so you're working inside the app creation environment. In the Builder view, look for the Manage option. This is where you control the operational settings for your apps. Go ahead and click Manage. Next, select Store App. This takes you into the area dedicated to your store configuration. From here, choose Manage App. If you oversee multiple apps, make sure you're opening the one where you want coupons available. Inside that app, locate and open the Multi-Vendor Marketplace module. This is the feature set where marketplace-specific settings like coupons are organized. Once you're in the Marketplace module, shift your focus to the left-hand side panel. This sidebar is your primary navigation for module-level controls. Find and click Settings. Within Settings, open Store Settings. This section holds the switches and preferences that affect how your store behaves for every shopper and vendor in your marketplace. Inside Store Settings, look for the option labeled Enable Coupons. This is typically presented as a simple toggle. If you don't spot it immediately, scroll slowly and scan for it under General Store Preferences. When you find Enable Coupons, toggle it on. Turning this on activates coupon functionality across your marketplace, allowing you or your vendors to create and accept promo codes at checkout. As soon as you switch it on, Appy will save the change automatically. You should see a confirmation message indicating the record was successfully updated. If the message doesn't appear right away, wait a moment and ensure the toggle remains in the on position. Sometimes a brief refresh of the panel helps the confirmation display. A quick tip: enabling coupons here simply unlocks the capability at the store level. The actual creation and management of coupon codes, like setting discount amounts, expiration dates, and usage limits, happens in your promotion or coupon management area. If you've just enabled coupons for the first time, plan your coupon strategy ahead of time so you can publish codes that match your goals, whether that's acquisition, retention, or clearing inventory. That's it. You open the Builder, navigated to Manage, selected Store App, entered Manage App, accessed the Multi-Vendor Marketplace, went into Settings, opened Store Settings, found Enable Coupons, toggled it on, and confirmed the update. Your marketplace is now ready to support coupons at checkout.